Ever read a few words online and felt compelled to click buy now? That is the power of copywriting. It is one of the most in-demand digital skills, and if you've decided to learn it, you've made a wise decision. Copywriting is what drives businesses, bring in sales, fill up webinars, and help you grow email lists. Without a good word, even the best products won't sell. If you want to write words that sell and bring in profits, then this is your moment. Copywriting is the art and science of writing persuasive content that drive action. It could be a Facebook ad, an email, a landing page, or even a product description. Your words are the money-making machine, and the demand is huge. Thanks to AI, you don't have to be Shakespeare. Smart copywriters use tools like Grammarly, Jasper, and ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, improve work, and generate winning headlines. As a trained copywriter, you can work as an email marketing specialist, a content strategist, an ad and funnel copywriter, a website copywriter, and a content strategist. Both here in Nigeria and outside Nigeria, copywriting remote jobs are everywhere and they pay in dollars. Now here is what you need to learn to become a pro. Customer psychology and buyer's persona, crafting irresistible headlines, writing home pages and landing pages, email and funnel copywriting, SEO and website copywriting, using AI and copy tools for increased productivity. Now, copywriting is not just about writing, it's about strategy, psychology, and making people take action immediately. Now, here is why you should choose Bizmarrow Technologies. At Bizmarrow Technologies, we offer you practical hands-on training, project-based learning, not a crowded classroom where a trainer is assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. You build a real-life project. Trainings are available both online and physical, so you can join from anywhere around the world. We make you job ready. Our training covers industry standard tools and technologies. Now here's the best part. You don't need to have a degree to venture into copywriting. If you have one, that's fine. What really matters is the right training, and that's where Bizmarrow Technologies comes in. Click the link below to register. Delay is dangerous, or you can call the numbers displayed on your screen. See you in class.